Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over interactions in JavaScript. So the three interactions I'm going to be going over is alert, prompt, and confirm. So I think everyone knows what an alert is. I went over in the past few videos. So let's just do an alert. You can pass in a value such as hello world. And then whenever we go back to our page, we get a nice little alert that has a text hello world that we have defined in here. Right, we can have any value in here. It can be an int, it can be a shrink, it can be multiple values, okay? Anything like that. So that's an alert. Now let's do a prompt. Now let's get a user's input, okay? So let's do let, you can give it any name, so value equal this to a prompt. And in the prompt, what we can do is we can ask the user for, let's say, how old are you? Okay. Now we can separate two values in here with a comma, and we can have a value of, let's say, 20. So this is going to be the default value that's going to be placed as a placeholder, okay, whenever the prompt opens up. And then what we can do is we can create an alert in here, right? And what we can do is, in here we can do you are, then with curly brackets and a $sign at the start. You can pass in the value years old. Okay, so this is just going to print out you are whatever the user inputted years old. Okay, so let's see how that looks like. Refresh this. Let's say I do, you can see we have how old are you, which is this. And then by default, this is set as 20 that we have set here. And let's say I change this to like 22. Press OK. Then the prompt says you are 22 years old. It just fills in this value in here. Okay. Now, the very last one that I want to go over is confirm. Okay. So let's just press OK. Let's go back into here. All right. Let's remove this. Now, confirm is pretty cool as well. So let's just do let. And let's create a new value called like agreed. I'm going to equal this to confirm. And then we can pass in a string, do you agree? Okay. And what's going to happen is this value is going to be a boolean. Okay. So let's just do an alert then with that value agreed. Now, if the user confirms, this will be true. If he denies, this will be false, and then we will see the output here. So let's go back into here. Let's refresh this. You can see that we have an option here. It's the confirm. So we have do you agree? Do you agree? And then we can either OK or cancel. If I press OK, you can see it is true because I confirmed it. If I refresh this, I press cancel. You can see we now get false because we have declined it. Okay, so that's about it for this video on interactions. Hope this video helped, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.